College life hack number 2. If you have an electric kettle, you can also, as well as using it for making various beverages, you can also use it to cook ramen. And I'll show you in just a minute. It's almost done. I really thought it would be done by now. But you can use it to cook ramen. Just put your ramen in the bowl, put the seasoning packet in, wait until the little thing clicks. It should happen any second now. Any second now. Any second now. Maybe if I just keep doing that hand motion. Any second now. This video might end up being too long. There we go. See, it clicked. That means it's done. Take it off. Just pour over your ramen. You can do as much or as little water as you want. As long as it's deep enough that the ramen will be in the hot water, the ramen will keep cooking. And then also, don't forget about your beverage. I'm having hot chocolate because it's snowing. Okay, bye.